Let's start with the second letter in the Arabic alphabet, which is Ba. And this is the way we're gonna write the name as every letter. We're gonna start with the page number 2, which is for the letter number 2. Name is Ba. Now I used the number 2 to indicate the sound of A, not A, it's A. So we say here Ba, Ba. So to indicate this Hamza at the end, we use 2. So far we know two letters, two numbers we're using to substitute the English letters, because we don't have a substitute for the Arabic letters like Ha, which is, we're gonna use number 7 for the letter Ha, as in harakat, and we're gonna use number 2 to indicate letter Hamza, A, the sound A, which is, we don't have an equivalent for it in English. So we're gonna say Ba, and the sound is Ba. Now, how to draw the letter? If we see here, we're gonna write here, this is the line, and the letter Ba start a little bit over the line, go all the way, and closes like that. So we start from here, the first stroke, we go down, keep going all the way up a little bit, and the stroke number 2 is the dot. Now some people or some students I've seen draw it like this, from the left to right, thinking that the way we write English, they got used to the way we write the English letters. Now we have to draw Arabic letters the same way, but this is not true. You have to start from the right to left. Also, we have here this part of Ba. This part of Ba, we call it a tooth, sin. And this part is very important, because when we connect letters to each other, this is the only part that remains from the letter Ba. Now, when we learn letter Ba, we're in fact learning three letters, because we have 3 letters that look alike: Ba, Ta, and Tha. This is Ba, this is Ta, this is Tha. So the way we draw Ba apply to Ta and Tha, and when we connect them, they work same way. That's why it's important to recognize the tooth of the Ba or Ta or Tha, which we call in Arabic sin. Now, how to pronounce the letter Ba? As we said before, we're gonna pronounce it with the 3 harakat: the fatha, which becomes like this: Ba, Bu, B, and the red, it indicates the vowel. So fatha, it's the vowel A; Dhamma, the vowel U; Kasra, the vowel E. Now with the long vowels, it's pronounced like this. And as we said, when you connected only the tooth with a little bit line, small line, remains, and the tail at the end disappear. Ba. Double A is the long vowel. Boo. B. So ba, boo, B, and ba, boo, B. Now let's move to the third section, which is how to connect letter B. So we need to see how we connect it when it's in the at the beginning, or at the middle, or at the end of the word. Ba, bar. This is ba plus ra. We're gonna learn this later on. Right now, all what you need to know is the ba is connected this way. In the middle of the word, we connect it like this. Khabar. Khabar. Kha plus ba plus ra. Khabar. At the end, it comes like this. It stays as it is, a complete and whole letter. And these we have here. We have two letters, ha, ha, and ba. Bar, khabar, hub. Third letter, ta. Page number 3. I want you to design your notebook same way. At the top, you write page number 3, name, ta, sound, ta. Now, A, how to draw it. Same way as ba. Same way. Start from the top, all the way, little bit to the up way. 1, this is 2 dots. Now, for the sake of writing fast, later we're gonna, instead of 2 dots, we're gonna use a small line. This small line means we have 2 dots here, and you should not confuse this with the fatha, which comes a little bit tilted from the left side. Ta. How to pronounce it? Ta. Tu. T. And then with the long vowels, say ta, tu, ti. And how to connect it. at the beginning, this is in the middle, and this is the end. تم. تم. We're going to learn a new haraka, which is we call the shadda. We're going to focus on it later on. For now, all what we need to know is this haraka, or we call it shadda, it make the sound of the letter double. And instead of we say tam, we say tamma. And this is ta plus mim. Now, we haven't learned this yet. Just keep it in mind the way. All what we need to know is how to connect the letter. كتب. Kaf plus ta plus ba. I should have wrote the ta a little bit bigger. It should be a little bit wider compared to the other letters. And then at the end, we have anta. Anta. Alif plus noon plus ta. So at the end stays as it is. In the middle, exactly like the letter ba, get connected from both sides, from the front and from the back, or from the right and from the left. At the beginning of the word, it's only connected from the left to the next letter. Letter number 4, tha. The letter tha. The sound is tha. This is the line. Exactly as we draw ba and ta, we draw tha. The only difference is we have 3 dots instead of 2 with the ta and 1 with the ba. So this is first, and then we put the 3 dots. Now, exactly the same way with ta, when we substituted the 2 dots with 1 line, small line, we can do that with also tha. And instead of 3 dots, we can just put this shape. This means 3 dots. So, ba, 1 dot at the bottom, ta, 2 dots at the top, tha, 3 dots at the top. Pronunciation. We have tha, thu, thi, and we have tha, thu, thi. So, tha, thu, thi, tha, thu, Fi. Now how to connect it. At the beginning, middle, and end. The first word is thumma. Thumma. We have two letters here. We have the tha and the mim. Thumma. As we said, this haraka is shadda, and it makes the sound of the letter double. Thumma. Second one, kataba. Kataba. Kaf plus ta plus o. Okay, we made a mistake here. It's ta, not ta. Let's clean it. So, athar. Alif plus ta plus ra. Athar. Three letters. Alif, tha, and ra. The last word is hatha. Hatha. As we said, shadda makes the sound of the letter double. Ha plus tha. Ha plus tha. Hatha. So as we see at the beginning, the ta is connected this way. In the middle, it should be connected both way, but alif does not connect with the next letter, so it didn't connect here. Hatha, now it's at the end of the word. It's a complete, but it's connected from the right side.